Junior Space Alphabet by Sippy S. Space is the place beyond the earth. Space has no air, no light, and no sound. Let's read all about space. A is for astronaut, a person who goes into space. B is for black hole, a place in space from where nothing can escape. C is for comet, a moving object in space, made of dust, gas, and a tail. D is for dwarf planet, an object in space that circles the sun, but is not a planet. E is for Earth, a planet in the solar system that we live on. F is for flying saucer, a flying object from outer space that looks like a disk. G is for galaxy, a collection of stars in space held together by gravity. H is for hydrogen, an element found the most in the universe. I is for International Space Station, Earth's largest space station, where astronauts study space. J is for Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. K is for Kuiper Belt, a ring of icy objects around the sun in the outer solar system. L is for lunar, of or having to do with the moon. M is for Milky Way, the name of our galaxy that includes the solar system. N is for Neptune, a planet in our solar system that is farthest from the sun. O is for orbit, the path in which a planet circles the sun. P is for planet, a large body in outer space that circles around a star. Q is for quasar, a bright galaxy very far away. R is for rocket, a device used to launch a spacecraft. S is for solar system, a collection of the sun and everything that circles around it. S is for star, a big, bright ball of gas that shines from its own energy, like the sun. T is for telescope, a tool made up of lenses used to look at and study objects in space. U is for universe, all matter, energy, and space, also called the cosmos. U is for Uranus, the only planet in our solar system that spins on its side. V is for Venus, the hottest planet and closest to Earth. W is for Whirlpool Galaxy, a spiral galaxy that can be seen from Earth with a small telescope. X is for X-ray telescope, a type of telescope to look at space using X-rays. Y is for Yuri Gagarin, the first man to travel to space. Z is for Zeus, the Greek name for Jupiter.